I was just a child when I felt a saviorly day. I was drawn to what I could not understand. But for the grace of Christ, I have spent my days believing that who He helped me be is who I am. And I've come to see the weaker side of me. I realize His grace is what I'll heal. When seeming mounted justice for my sorrow, mercy say no. I'm not gonna let you go. I'm not gonna let you slip away. You don't have to be afraid. Oh, mercy, say no. Sin will never take control. Oh, life and death stood face to face. Darkness tried to steal my heart away. Oh, thank you, Jesus. Mercy, say no.